a second-hand 2013 Honda City for a reasonable price. Now, let's buy car accessories online and install it in My Sweet Ride. Then, let's see if what we bought online is a #coolboy material. This is a multicolored system car. So this is what we're gonna change with our park lights. So we have here, this one is a multiple color. It's being controlled by this remote, so we can change different colors and the settings as well. So you see, this is the before. Alright, so this is the after. Wow, looks really nice. So this is park light. We've changed it, so it looks really nice. So this is the remote. You can change it pretty much like this, so it becomes like a party light if you go out, and then you can change it to a different setting as well, different color. There you go, see, there you have a blue, change it to green, change it, try to red. Sorry, white first and then go with red. There you go. See, looks really nice, so it's worth it. This one is really nice, so you can change it. There you go. Alright, so this is very easy. No additional changes, you just have to change the color. Installation is very straightforward. First of all, you have to turn off your engine. Even on park, you have to turn it off. So what we do right now is locate your park light, which mine, I don't know if you can see it, there. So this is my park light. So it's very easy. So we just need to twist, there you go, counterclockwise, and remove it. There you go. So this is the standard park light. We just need to remove this bulb here. There you go. Put it there. So as you can see, it's like the typical bulb with a wire. So this is what we are going to change. What we have here is side-by-side comparison of the standard bulb, and this is the one that we're going to replace it with. So you can see it's quite longer. It's twice the size because this one has more lights on it. It has an LED, so pretty much the same. So it's just the bottom of it, it's the same. It's the same standard bulb for park lights. We are back, so we are going to install this LED light. So we have to get this, and even with one hand you can pop it in. Just be careful not to drop it. There we go. Yeah. I hope it's in. It doesn't look like it's gonna fall, so we put it back in there. Give it a counter clockwise. There you go. So now it's in. It's quite longer, as you can see. So let's turn on the engine. Hopefully it doesn't pop. So give it a go. Alright, wow, there you have it. So now it's installed and it looks really nice. So you can see this is the white color. So we're gonna control it with this remote. So this one you can change the color outside the car, but you cannot change it inside if you're inside the car. So you have to go outside to change it. So this is the white color. Now, since my car, I'm going for a red color, so I'm gonna press red. There, wow, nice. So just change the color red. Really nice. So we're gonna change to green. See? Green and yellow. Oh, I think that's the yellow part of it. It's blinking, so we're gonna change it back to white. So this is the white color. Oh, wait. Switched back to red. We need to go closer. There. So you must be close to the color. Sorry, you must be close to the bulb itself. So to change it, so we are going to change to white. And as you can see here, we have a flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. So we're gonna try 4. So let's go with flash. There. So it flashes different colors. So it's really nice. So if you're like in an emergency or anything, so you can change it like this. And strobe. Doesn't change. Changes to red first. Red, come on, change to red. There, red. So let's try to strobe. I think strobe is not working. What about fade? Fade. Oh, there, it's kind of fading. Oh, nice. So it fades and it changes color. And let's try the smooth. Apparently there's no change. So this one, it allows you to change the colors of your park lights. So for me, I'm going for a red color. So let's switch to red. I think we have to go to white first. And then we go to red. There. Wow. Looks really nice. Now, we have installed the one on the right, as you can see there. So we have to change the one on the left. There. Finally. So it's installed, as you can see there it is. We just have to turn the engine on. This one is not turning on, but on the other side there's light. So we must have done something. So let me fix this one and see my mistake. So what happened is I had to remove it, reverse it, switch it, because at 2 sides, and it worked. So there's nothing wrong. So if that happens to you, just switch the bulb from one side to another. So it might have been with the connection. So it's working now. I thought there's a problem with the bulb, or I did some problem with the wiring. So it's good. So it's working now. So let's try to change the light to red. Red. There you go. Red it is. And on the other side, there. So apparently you have to you have to change one side first and then change the other one. So here we go for a high brightness. Turn my light. There we go. So here you have to, let's say you want this blue. You want this blue, and the other one you have to change it separately, because apparently they are not connected. So problem with the switch here, go with white and then change to blue. Why is it green? There we go, change to blue. So now both are blue. It's really nice, but I want it to be red, because that's what I'm going for. Black and red combination. So we change this to red. Wow, look at that. So far you cannot see it, but it looks really nice. If you go closer, let's increase the brightness. So it's really nice. go. So it's a very easy install. This one costs around 15 ringgit. Change it. It's very nice. So it's really good, but switch it to white first. Like standard white. There you go. So there you are. So now it's just plain white. So if you look at the front, it looks really nice. Really good. I'm happy with this. Alright, so for this install, I'm pretty much happy with it. For 6 ringgit, cannot complain pretty much. You have both of your park lights with multiple color LED. You can switch it to different colors with this remote. The only drawback is that this remote, some of the buttons is not working. But basically, we just need the red, the green, the blue, the white, and the strobe. So overall, I'm very happy with it. This one, you can install it if you want to be a cool boy. So I'm gonna give this an okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep safe and stay at home.